How to turn off VoiceOver guide on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off voice guide, also known as VoiceOver, on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step is open up your settings app. After you open up your settings app, scroll down a bit and there you will see accessibility right under general. So tap on accessibility, and after you tap on accessibility, there you should find an option called vision. Now under vision, there you will see voiceover. All you have to do is tap on voiceover and there you will see an option to toggle it on and toggle it off. So simply toggle this button off and then you are good to go. Now, if you do want to use voiceover again, you can come back to this very setting and then turn it on from here. And after you're done with using it, you can turn it off from here. And there are also other settings related to voiceover. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and